Since our equation is the square root of x plus 1 over x to the square plus 1, we must get rid of the square root. For this, we must put an equal sign and then change the square root to a fraction. And we get x to the 1/2 plus 1 over x to the square plus 1. To solve this equation, we must use this rule. So, to get the u, we use the x to the 1/2 plus 1, and the v, we use the x to the square plus 1. Then, we must get the u and v prime, which are the derivatives of each. 1/2 x to the minus 1/2 and 2x. Our next step is to substitute our values in our equation. It actually doesn't matter if we place the u multiplying v prime and then v multiplying the u prime. The answer will be the same no matter the order. So, after substituting the values, we must multiply them so we get 2x to the 3/2 plus 2x subtracting 1/2 x to the 3/2 plus 1/2 x to the minus 1/2 over x to the square plus 1. And that same equation that goes under the division is to the square. Next, we take up the parentheses. Our next step is to just write this same equation, but now without the parentheses. So we're just leaving all the numbers with its variables and adding or subtracting, but without parentheses.
Now, what we have to do is find the commons. Now that we found them, they are 2x at 3/2 and minus 1/2 x at 3/2. Now, these ones are supposed to be added, but in this case, we are going to subtract them because if the minus 1 is a negative number. So, now that we have subtracted them, this gives us 3/2 x at 3/2 plus 2/2 plus 2x minus 1/2 x at minus 1/2. The only thing now that we have to do is pass from fractions to radicals. So now we got 2x minus 1/2 x to 1/2. It converts to 1/2 x because the 1/2 converts into a root, and the 3/2, it gives us 3/2 to the root of 3 because we had 3/2 x at 3/2.